And this is so nice. I really love Louis Vuitton apparel. Oh my God. Nice, diba? Oh my God, this is so nice. This is very extraordinary. This is so nice. Oh my God. This is Capucine in fringes. Ah, the earrings. My God. That's also nice.
All of the cherry blossom collection is actually very cute, very cutesy.
Yeah, very nice. I like that bug charm.
Yes, and you can put it like in another bag, like this one, or any other charms, or any other bags. I mean, right? By the way, so if you grab anything from this collection, there's no special packaging, unlike the first drop, right? So this is what I got, the regular packaging.
And later we will unbox it. Yes.
So if there are any other Murakami special packaging, obviously our lovely CA Alton will give it to us, but it's just the multicolor design. Like there's nothing that's specifically for the cherry blossom to collection. So there's only Murakami wrappings that we're gonna get. There are no more stickers actually. They ran out of it. But I'm still happy. I'm very happy.
Hello, my love, it's my Chelsea Bibbs. Welcome back to my channel. Well, sorry, I'm wearing my favorite dress whenever I go out for malling. So this is an expected vlog again. Because as I mentioned to you the last vlog that we will come here in LV to check some items, and apparently my sis Chai got some items. Me, no luck. Okay, so without further ado, my sis Chai here. Yan. Okay, so we will unbox the 2 items she got. Yes, okay. And as you remember this one, right? The Never Full Murakami, and this the Bando. This is the first one she unboxed. Impronto unboxing, and now another Impronto unboxing. Yes. So yan. So
Got myself some shoes that again. Actually, when we saw the leaks that came out, this is the very first thing that I liked. But I was torn between the 2 pieces, right? From drop 1 or this. But as I tried to fit it, it's very comfortable, and I need kind of something for more casual kind of walks. So this one is what I got. And the first drop is not orderable anymore. I kind of regret that.
So this is the picture that she really wanted to get. The first mule, the multicolor, but maybe this will be better. Okay. Ta-da-da. I have to hold it up. Ay, hindi pala siya bag kasi. Shoes siya.
Let's put it here. And then it is so cute.
Oh my god, this is so cute. So 2 dust bags. Yeah. 2 dust bags. Wow. This is so nice. Super nice. And this is size 8. True to size, no? This one. True to size. And then here. Ayan.
I was the first one who fitted it.
Yes. And this is the only size and the only item available right now. Today is March 21. Yeah.
Yes. It's very true to size. Actually, from the first drop, I had to get like the larger size because of the material, right? Because that one is monogram canvas. This one is leather. And it's a little bit puffy here. More cushiony type.
It's cushiony, more comfortable.
It's more comfortable.
Yes.
The baby pink color is not too bright actually, unlike what we saw in photos. It's more whitish as well. So I think this is better. But if the first drop is going to be available again, I might get that because I really wanted that. It's just that I wasn't able to get it.
So this is the picture of what she wanted. But this one, for me, this is more comfortable.
You want me to fit it?
Yes.
And walk with it?
Yes.
So let's do this. Do this.
So this is uncut. Uncut. Trying out uncut. Oh, it fits talaga. Size 8 lang talaga. Size 8 lang talaga. Nice. Nice. Okay, walk. Love it. As always, Louis Vuitton flagship store in the Philippines is our place for happiness and place for vlogging. Yeah. A good thing there's no people yet. Actually, there are some people around, but this spot is a more this area is the best spot for unboxing, right, sis?
Yes.
Because there's a table.
No background.
Yeah.
Yes. And there's a table.
Okay, next.
Get this one. This is also one of the pieces that I really liked when I saw the photos that were leaked. I said I wanted some bracelets because I like some charms, and this one has charms. So let's open this up.
Pull
it out.
Ah, nice. Yeah. This is 29,000. How much? 29,000.
29 something.
29 something. This is so nice. Look, oh, nice. Okay.
And
you put it on.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
how we unhook it.
Yes.
It's very easy to put together. I'm just struggling a little bit right now, but it's
Yeah.
really easy and it just fits. There are two sizes available, but the other one is very
Yeah.
small.
Did you hear the click? So once you heard the click, that's already secured.
Let's
Yeah.
look.
Oh, diba? And she gonna wear it already. Yeah. All right. Nice here. Okay.
I'm so happy because these are the items that I really, really like, and I really want to give myself, after all years of hard work, this
Yes.
is just the time that I've been trying to give back to myself. Just the last couple of years.
Yes, and maybe you're wondering why Sis Chai is the only one, is the only guest who always do the unboxing for Murakami, because some of my friends doesn't want to be shoot. Okay. Since Sis Chai is a TikToker content creator, so it's fine with her. Yeah.
We're not so ready. That's why we're so plain.
Yes, this is impromptu unboxing, right? Yeah. And for you, my loves, my Josephips, we did this for you. Okay. Thank you, Sis Chai.
Subscribe to Jack and follow our socials. We'll put it right there. Thank you for guesting me again.
Surely. So stay tuned for more unboxing with Sis Chai. Diba? Nice.
Pero may ganyan eh. Bukas yata.
Ang ganda niya. My God. Ay, na-adjust pa, oh. Ang isa. Eh, ayoko. Oh my God, ang cute. Parang ang cute nito. Gusto ko nito. And this is the other one. And this. Mas maganda siya in person.
Yes.
No? Kesa dun sa print.
Sure, yes.
Yeah, mas maganda siya. Di, ang ganda siguro ng Alma Baby nito. Kaso, not available. Oh my God. Super nice. The Alma Baby. And this one. Oh my God. And there's a mirror here. Is the mirror. Ang cute. Ang ganda nito. Tapos ano pa siya, embossed, no? No? Pero sa shades hindi na naglabas, no?
Wala kaming binigay sa
Ito, parang di advisable to. Ang liit. Ay, ang ganda rin ng time out, no? Makadagsain na kayo dito. Ang cute. So, meron palang brown na ganyan. Ay, this one. Ang cute. Ang ganda nito. Ito wala, hindi na to orderable, oh.
Opo.
Wala na.
Yung isa kong kahit nakakuha.
Ah, nakakuha na?
Opo. Nung first ordering.
Ayun na nga, hindi kami pwede kasi at least yung shades lang yung nag-open nung Monday. March 10. Pumunta kami.
Yes ma'am, sa Philippines kami wala kaming no-buy kami dun sa shades.
Oo, wala. At least yung white nakuha ko yung white. Ang cute. Yung isa
Ito, wala siyang...
Yung isa yung meron tong ano yung ano, clay. Clay, may kasama to eh. Ay, wala siya dyan.
Wala po eh.
Ang cute pala nito, oh. Grabe, hindi na maganda yung bag charm. Ang ganda kayo. Ang cute. Na-storbo tuloy kita, dear. Ang ganda. My God. Diba? Ang cute, diba?
Cute
Pero hindi siya, ano.
hindi siya, parang wala masyadong dating.
Oo. Tsaka mas mura to kaysa dun sa multicolor.
Magkano yan?
161.
160?
164 yun.
Sige. Sige.
Oo, ganda oh.
May cup din siya. Ay, no, merong ano siya dyan.
Meron. Oh, baby. And that's
So which is which?
yes.
Which is which?
This one or this one? Both. But it's not orderable. Sorry. But my most favorite this collection is this one. This one. The Sweetie.
I like that.
Yeah, this is functional and super cutie. And there is a bag charm which is so fat.
That's cute.
So famous or very, ano ba tawag doon? Fashion trend, the bag charm. So that's why I like this. Yeah. So this is the tree. And another one, I'll show you later. It's my most favorite. No? In this collection. This one.
The original Sakura.
Sakura.
The Japanese doll.
This is my most favorite. No? In LV, Jordan. Okay, but this one, for me, this is the best bag for this collection. Oh my God. As you can see in Bose and this one.
That's cute.
That's cute, no?
Super cute.
Yeah, but this is not orderable.
It's only display here.
Display here lang. Yeah, and the inside. Ayan. Nice.
I love this one.
Diba, no? Nice. Okay.
So cute.
Okay, that's a wrap, my lovely sweet Johnson. Hope you enjoyed the Pronto unboxing again. Oh my God, we're not prepared. Yeah, thank you so much again for lovely CA Algen. So, if you need something from LV here, then look for Algen. Okay? Until next time. Ang ganda kaya, ano, una kong kita dito, ito yung maganda eh. Pero 41, di naman yata nagkakaroon ng 41.